How to fix Hatch app won't let me log in. So you might be in the position where you are trying to log into your account, but you are not being able to have the access to your account. Sometimes this issue might arise due to the server issue. So check whether the server of Hatch is stable enough or not. If the server is down, then all you want to do is wait for the server to get fixed. Now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to your app store and in the source bar, search for Hatch. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having the issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to do is clear the cache of the application. Move into your settings of your device, and then head over to General. Move into iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Hatch. Once you're in here, you have to click on Offload App. Once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once done, check whether the issue has been fixed or not. If you're still having the issue, then what you can do is simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Hatch app won't let me log in. Make sure to smash the like button and please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.